welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play as piano accompaniment The Cure by Olivia Rodrigo. I've left my other Olivia Rodrigo piano tutorials linked in the description, as well as where you can find the full chords and lyrics to this song. I'll sing just as a bit of a reference point. So let's dive in. This one is in the key of D flat major. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of D flat major. So these are the notes we are using. Here is middle C as a reference point. I'll teach both hands at the same time. So left hand is blue and right hand is orange on the screen there. So we'll look at the intro first, and it's just made up of two different chords. So because this is obviously on guitar and it's strummed, I'm going to suggest like a rhythm playing pattern on piano, but you can of course come up with your own or simplify it. The first chord is B flat sus2, so we're going to play B flat in the left hand. In the right hand we're going to play F, B flat and C. So that's for 4 beats. Left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. Something like that. And then we're going to change to D flat major 7. So in the left hand we're going to play D flat. In the right hand we're going to play F, A flat and C. And similar pattern. And then we go back and play the B flat sus2 again. And then back to the D flat major 7. So the intro goes. So then for the verse, we're going to repeat that again, and then we have a couple of extra chords as well. Let's go over those chords. So we have a G flat major 7, which is G flat, B flat, D flat and F, with B flat in the left hand. So it's G flat major 7 over B flat. And then we have D flat major. So it's D flat in the left hand, and then like what we had before, it's just instead of it being a C, it's a D flat, so F, A flat, D flat, first inversion of D flat major. And then we do those two twice. And then we repeat the whole verse a second time. So the chords are on the screen, so I'll just demonstrate the verse now then. I'll go from the intro. Now into the chorus. We have E flat major 7. So the left hand we're going to play octave E flats. If you can't play octave, just play a single E flat. In the right hand we have G flat, B flat and D flat. Again, just doing a similar playing pattern. And then the right hand stays where it is for the next chord, because the next chord is G flat major. and the left hand is going to play G flat and D flat. And the next chord, we have that D flat major chord again, like we had in the verse. I'm going to play octaves in the left hand. And then the next chord is A flat, add 4 with a C in the bass. So C's in the left hand. In the right hand, we're going to play E flat, A flat, and D flat. You can play a C in there as well if you want to, because it is an add 4. We do have a C in the left hand here. And then we play that chord progression 3 times. And my head is full of poison, and my heart is full of doubt. I got toxins in my bloodstream. You tried hard to suck them out, and it feels like medication, and it's good for me, I'm sure. It don't matter how your love feels anymore. It'll never be the cure. It'll never be the cure. And then for the next verse, we're going to play it the same as the first verse, just once through, just like it says on the screen. Used to play a game in my head when I'm dating a guy. Telling her the girls that till I started to cry. I thought I found the antidote this time. I thought I found the antidote this time. But I'm unraveled. Now we have this like pre-chorus. There's only really one new chord here. G flat sus 2. So in the left hand that's G flat and D flat. In the right hand that's G flat, A flat, D flat. But I'm unraveled. So for 4 beats. Again, any playing pattern rhythm that you would like. And then we have the D major for 2 beats. And then the A flat add 4 over C. So the 2 chords we have in the chorus. And then we do that chord progression for this pre-chorus through twice. But I'm unraveled. I'm unraveled. I'm unraveled. I'm unraveled. And my head into the chorus. And my head is full of poison, and my heart is full of doubt. I got toxins in my bloodstream. You tried hard to suck them out, and it feels like medication, and it's good for me, I'm sure. But don't matter how your love feels anymore. It'll never be the cure. It'll never be the cure. And now we're into the bridge. So there's nothing new. So it's the chord progression we had for the pre-chorus 4 times, as it says on the screen there. And then we play the chord progression for the chorus once. And then we have the chorus, and then the outro part is going to be the next new thing that we look at. Baby, I'm unraveled. I'm unraveled. I'm unraveled. I'm unraveled. Why can't you come stitch me up? Why can't it ever be enough? Why can't you come stitch me up? Why can't it ever So after the chorus, we have this outro part. So I'll play it for you first. So the right hand's going to be playing the string part, and then the left hand is going to be playing the chords. We'll do the right hand first, we'll do it separately. So the notes we need for the right hand are on the top screen. So we have B flat, and then C, D flat, A flat, C, D flat, F, C, D flat, E flat, and then this E flat, D flat, C. That's the first bit. And then the next bit is very similar, so we have G flat first, C, D, F, C, D flat, and then this F, and then D flat, E flat, and then it ends there. Let's do that again. And the left hand, so we have E flat major 7, so E flat, G flat, B flat, D flat, and then G flat major, so G flat, B flat, D flat, D flat major, D flat, F, A flat. So playing all these chords in root position, and then A flat add 4 over C, so that's C, E flat, A flat, B flat. And I repeat all those chords again, so E flat minor 7, G flat major, D flat major, and then A flat add 4 over C. So together that fits like this. The B flat comes in with the E flat minor 7, and then G flat comes in with the A flat, then the F comes in with D flat major, and then the E flat comes in with the A flat at 4 over C. And then the G flat comes in with the E flat minor 7. F comes in with G flat major chord. This F comes in with the D flat major chord. And then the E flat comes in with the A flat at 4 over C. So I'll do all of that again. End of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.